Hello, I'm Alfie and this is our plant of the week. The Venus Flytrap, also known as the Dionaea Muscipula. These classic carnivorous plants catch flies within their modified jaw-like leaf structures. Their Latin name Muscipula means mousetrap, which signifies the snapping action of the jaws. Inside the traps there is nectar, which attracts insects. There are also hair-like structures which detect movement. When a fly is inside, they will then snap and encapsulate the fly. They only need a few flies for a year. They need probably at least one every 3 months. Once closed, the trap releases enzymes and the fly is digested. This provides them with energy. The trap will then reopen and catch a new fly. It is tempting to put your finger inside the trap to watch it snap, but this wastes energy because it needs a fly. This is like walking to a shop 10 miles and then to find out it's closed. When the traps have been triggered and not fed, they will go black. They'll need to be cut off because they are died and not usable anymore. Venus flytraps need to be planted in specialist low-nutrient compost in bright sunshine. They need to be watered with rainwater or filtered water, as the minerals in tap water may kill them. They must be kept moist all year round. In the winter you may want to water them less, but in the summer it's advisable to keep them in some water so that they don't dry out. Venus flytraps are perennial plants. They can go outside in the summer and they do love the bright sunshine, but it's best to keep them inside for winter as frosts may kill them. If they flower, you can leave them, but it is advisable to cut them off as they waste the plant's energy and they don't need them to survive.